This is Brent and Andrienne Campbell's stunning 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS. This is a stunning car, it really is. This is a prime example of GM's muscle car history direct from the stables of Brent and Andrienne's collection. The stunning example honestly explodes in the sunlight like a star reaching supernova status, with a fine metallic flake in the blue paint reflecting the shine in such a glistening fashion it captures you as soon as you see it. The rebuild of this car is truly outstanding. The interior as if it just left the factory floor, with the upholstery, trim, detailing looking as if it's straight out of the 70s. This is actually another one of those rare finds, with only 7,000 of these being built. A fair few of these hit the racetracks, either circuit or drag, and were relatively cheap car to purchase at the time. Old photographs at college car parks would show lots of these Novas ready to cause mischief, so this stunning model here, still to be around today, is pretty damn special. The Novas were rated as one of GM's special muscle cars. Although they were shadowed by the Chevy and the bigger body muscle cars, the compact unit that the Nova SS Supersport was meant that this little unit could fair jump in corners, since they were still running the same 350 Chevy 4-speed gearbox that the bigger cars had. They were GM's answer to the American Ford Falcon at the time, and built like a pocket rocket. This awesome build here has had a fair bit of extra work done to get it to really jump now. The heartbeat now is a 355 Chevy, with some pretty cool internals to feed that extra horsepower back through a good old Muncie 4-speed gearbox to rear wheels, because real muscle cars have 4 speeds. There's a fair rumble out through those twin 2.5-inch exhausts that grabs your attention before the sparkle of that shine does, so you certainly know something is up when the fine automobile pulls up. Having the opportunity to climb all over and under these stunning examples is simply awesome. They are in fact quite a classy and well finished car, with extra detailing and trims, but at the same time you can tell it has been built ready for action, with a longing for that Hurst shifter to be slammed and that needle in the rev counter to be tapping in the red. Maybe it's the compact coupe styling or the sound of that grumpy old V8, but these things just have a race written all over them, don't they?